Over the weekend, Pat Bruno, a Grenadian-American citizen, was arrested and charged for violating Grenada's COVID-19 regulations after he failed to quarantine as per regulations. Bruno arrived in Grenada on Saturday, 15 May 2021, boarded a taxi, which instead of proceeding to his approved quarantine site, took him to Madeira St. George, where he allegedly mingled with several members of that community and surrounding areas. Health Minister Nicholas Steele says following this recent breach, officials are now tasked with looking at ways to minimize loopholes in their system.
The way the process is supposed to work, the individual, when they come in based on where they have prepaid for their quarantine or where they have been approved if it is home quarantine, that information is passed directly on to the dispatcher at the airport to inform whoever the approved taxi driver is. He or she is informed of the location that the person is supposed to be brought to and knows before they leave the airport where they are to bring this person. And in this instance, that was ignored by the taxi driver as well.
Minister Steele explained why the taxi driver, who has now been suspended from his operational duties, was penalized for the protocol breach.
Go by.
I think it's a collective because it's the Taxi Association, GTA are also involved in this, and it's the collective opinions of all involved.
Now let's look at how we have been keeping.
Pat Bruno was charged for the offense of breach of quarantine on Sunday, May 16, 2021. He was granted bail in the amount of $2,000 with one surety and is scheduled to make his first court appearance at the St. George's Magistrates Court tomorrow, Thursday, May 20th. For GBN News, Beverly Tellisford.